On this episode, we install angel eyes on the MX-5 drift car, and we test her out before the track.
What is the crack, guys? Today we're going to be installing the little angel eyes on the MX-5.
Okay, so I've gotten one of the headlights in already. Shot that off camera. I had to go and get a few parts for that. It's no big deal. Okay, there's what it used to look like. Really shitty. So I went and picked up a set of these headlight casings because my one rusted the fuck. So they're what's supposed to be inside. I'm going to disassemble the passenger side headlamp. Bad boy here is held in with cable ties, as you can see there, there. In very bad condition. We're going to cut it off and pour a new headlight in its house. Let's go. That's all disassembled now. We had gotten the plug back from where the old owner had wired it. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab the new housing that I got and show you guys what it should be look like. Yeah, I said should be look like. There's basically 1, 2, 3 screws. You want to take that off, that will release. This is basically the frame, and that will release the headlamp. And then we'll release the housing so we can fuck this light in the bin and get the nice ones in. Let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna cut to this here. I've taken out 2 of the screws, took that shit one out. There it is, there in the bin. And we have the new one in. I'm just gonna screw it together and we're gonna jump cut back to it again. There's Lucas, he's gonna do something cool with his drift car.
Yeah, I'm gonna jack it up and give it a bit of lube.
He thinks that his E46 is gonna beat this MX-5. This car will be ready first, bitch.
Now, wait when she's gonna get welded, you know? All you're gonna see is a little bit of that in your fucking fish smoke. That's all you're gonna see when the car is ready.
Okay, I'm just gonna do what I did last time on the other headlight that I do have installed.
Yeah, my man. Tomorrow, the guy is coming over to pick up the seats from my Beamer, so that means I'm gonna have a booking seat before a truck day, bitches!
You sassy motherfucker! Okay guys, this is just a quick look of what I've been doing. So we just grabbed some of the 2 smallest cable ties we could find, and we just basically cable tied all around. Sorry for the noise, that's Lucas outside working on the E46. Okay guys, so what we need next is some wiring tools. So we're at the stage where the housing is completely empty, so we need some tools. So I have here a wire cutters, just the snips basically, and a proper wire cutters with strippers, kind of an old school one. Lucas kind of has my one on the gone missing, the automatic stripper that you just click and it does the job. But this will do for now anyways. So what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath and strip some wires. Okay guys, so we need to get under this little flap here, the dirty little flap, and Lucas liked that one. He was unexpecting that one. And you want to pull out these two bolt housings here. Naughty boy, no.
I don't know, flabs.
Flabs?
Flaps.
Flab? That's why you go to the gym, so there's no flab.
No flap. No, it's called floppy.
What?
Or sloppy.
What?
Yeah. Floppy. Oh look, that's fluffy. I meant to say fluffy.
Hey, yeah. Okay guys, so I have this cable on out here. So what we want to do is, you see this cable here, so this one here is our indicator bulb. Looks all crusty as fuck, but see the red cable there? We're just gonna snip. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Snip, get that out of there, right? And then the green cable over here, we're gonna snip, get that shit out of here as well. Okay, then we're gonna go over and grab our wire strippers. Not normal strippers, wire strippers. Let's strip some wires.
Nice. Nice.
Green wire and red wire are now free. Right, so I got a piece of wire here, well, two pieces of wire. So we're going to, well, dark tape, kind of separate it out. Enough length that we need, so that is about enough. So snip it there. Save this for something else. You want to separate it out into two pieces. And, focus. And then strip.
Nice.
Strip both sides of it. Now I'll just show you in the light what I did. I crimped the connector and then wrapped the cable around it. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. This is just how I do it. So. And then this red one will connect directly into the red one on the headlight. Same with the green one once all this is done.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go.
Next time on Dub Monkey Garage, Lucas tries to set fire to his diff. We learn how to weld. Lucas forgets where the bolts go. We call for some expert help. And we test out our welded diff. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, make sure to go down and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our content. We'll see you on the next one.